lived in Luton Cineworld cinema thing, where it is now. I think it's Cineworld. Well, the Galaxy basically. Let's get a wide angle view of it. Okay, a bit blurry, but get the idea. What button that I haven't seen before? Oh, yeah. Micro switch we can hear in the background. Very clicky. That is actually a real site. It's been copied off the computer onto paper. It's just really bad. Still works, I suppose. Oh, interesting. Oh, it's a nice startup. No more nameplate, that's disappeared. No capacity either. Actually, no saying that's there actually. Let's go back up to 1. Weird logic, that doesn't actually take double calls. There we go. Okay, now it's dark in here, isn't it? Door sensors don't actually work anymore, which is very safe. No indicator or anything. Emergency light there. Yeah, what was this before? I don't know. It looks like Schindler, that does, but I don't know what that was. It's odd, I haven't seen these before. Ooh, these are nice though. Okay, and that's it.